Replacing a door may seem like a straightforward task, but in reality, it involves careful planning, precise measurements, and proper execution. Homeowners in Farmington Hills looking to replace their doors should be mindful of common mistakes that can lead to unnecessary expenses, poor results, or compromised functionality. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, or enhanced security, avoiding these pitfalls will ensure a successful door replacement project. Failing to measure correctly. One of the most frequent mistakes homeowners make during door replacement is incorrect measurements. An ill-fitting door can lead to gaps, drafts, and reduced energy efficiency. How to avoid this mistake? Measure the width, height, and depth of the door frame precisely. Double-check measurements to ensure accuracy. If you're unsure, hire a professional to take measurements for you. Overlooking energy efficiency. In Farmington Hills, where winters can be harsh and energy bills high, choosing an energy-efficient door is crucial. However, many homeowners focus solely on aesthetics and forget about energy performance. How to avoid this mistake? Look for doors with a high R value and Energy Star certification. Consider materials like fiberglass or insulated steel for better thermal performance. Check for proper weather stripping and sealing features. Choosing the wrong material. Selecting the right material for your door is key to ensuring durability, maintenance ease, and suitability for your home's style. Choosing a material based purely on cost or appearance can backfire. How to avoid this mistake? Assess the pros and cons of materials like wood, steel, fiberglass, and aluminum. Factor in the climate of Farmington Hills. Wood may warp in high humidity, while steel is more resilient. Choose a material that aligns with your maintenance preferences and budget. Ignoring door style compatibility. A new door should complement your home's architectural style. Installing a modern door in a traditional home or vice versa can create a jarring aesthetic. How to avoid this mistake? Match the door style to your home's design. For instance, a colonial-style home pairs well with paneled wood doors, while a contemporary home suits minimalist glass or steel options. Consult a design professional if you're unsure about the best match. Attempting DIY installation without experience. While DIY projects can be rewarding, door replacement is not always a beginner-friendly task. Poor installation can result in misalignment, difficulty in opening or closing the door, and even structural damage. How to avoid this mistake? Unless you have prior experience, consider hiring a professional installer. If you do opt for DIY, follow the manufacturer's installation instructions meticulously and use the proper tools. Neglecting security features. Many homeowners forget to prioritize security when replacing doors, focusing instead on looks or cost. A door that isn't secure can compromise your family's safety. How to avoid this mistake? Opt for doors with reinforced frames and multi-point locking systems. Consider adding security upgrades like smart locks or peepholes. Choose solid core doors for better resistance against forced entry. Forgetting about maintenance. Some materials and finishes require more maintenance than others. Ignoring this aspect can lead to dissatisfaction down the line. How to avoid this mistake? Choose a low-maintenance material like fiberglass if you prefer minimal upkeep. For wood doors, ensure they are sealed and regularly treated to prevent rot and warping. Read the manufacturer's care instructions to maintain your door's longevity. Overlooking permits and regulations. Farmington Hills has local building codes and regulations that must be followed during door replacement. Skipping this step can result in fines or issues when selling your home. How to avoid this mistake? Check with your local building authority to determine if permits are needed. Ensure your new door meets any energy efficiency or safety standards required in your area. Not accounting for additional costs. Homeowners often underestimate the total cost of door replacement. Beyond the door itself, there may be expenses for hardware, paint, or even frame repairs. How to avoid this mistake? Create a detailed budget that includes all potential costs. Set aside extra funds for unexpected expenses, such as addressing frame damage or purchasing new locks. Rushing the process. Finally, rushing through door replacement often leads to errors and dissatisfaction. Taking the time to research, plan, and execute the project ensures a smooth experience. How to avoid this mistake? Allocate enough time for every step of the process, from choosing the door to installation. Work with experienced professionals who can guide you through the project. By avoiding these common mistakes, homeowners in Farmington Hills can achieve a successful door replacement that enhances their home's appearance, energy efficiency, and security. Proper planning and the assistance of professionals can make the process seamless, ensuring your investment stands the test of time.